I have black and white stripes. Am I a tiger or a zebra? The answer is zebra. I am round and you kick me. Am I a box or a ball? The correct answer is ball. I am yellow and people eat me for breakfast. Am I a shoe or an egg? Yes, it's egg. I live in the ocean and have sharp teeth. Am I a shark or a cat? The answer is shark. I tell the time. Am I a plate or a clock? That's right, it's clock. I help you see far away. Am I a telescope or a book? The correct answer is telescope. I am green and grow on trees. Am I a cup or a leaf? Yes, it's leaf. I am used for cutting paper. Am I a brush or a scissor? The answer is scissor. I have buttons and make calls. Am I a spoon or a phone? That's right, it's phone. I am sweet and made from sugar. Am I a stone or a candy? The correct answer is candy. I fly in the sky with engines. Am I a fish or an airplane? Yes, it's airplane. I am white and fall from the sky in winter. Am I rain or snow? The answer is snow.